Today, we're going to build an AT-ST using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 plate with open end handle. And the handle is going to be the back of our AT-ST, which makes this the front. Well, on top of this 1x2 plate with open end handle, I'm going to grab a 1x2 jumper plate. And just put that jumper plate on those top two studs like this. And that way we've got one stud in the center of this AT-ST. And then I got to put the neck on. And for the neck, I'm going to use a 1x1 round plate. Put that round plate on that center stud to raise it up. And then on that round plate, I'm going to grab a 1x1, 1x1 bracket. I'm going to have it facing forward. So there's my handles in the back. So I'm going to put that bracket plate on my 1x1 round plate so that stud is facing forward. And then I want to smooth this out. So to smooth it out, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece and put that tile piece right there on that front stud of my bracket like this. And now we're going to build the head of our AT-ST, the rest of our head. And to do that, I'm going to grab a headlight brick. Now, for the headlight brick, you've got that end at the bottom that kind of just sticks out a little bit. Well, that's going to go on the back, so it's going to face the handles. And we're going to put that big old hole in the back of our headlight brick onto our bracket plate like this, facing forward. And now, we've got this stud in front, and this is where we get that shape of the AT-ST's face. And to do that, we're going to get this cheese wedge slope. I'm going to put the cheese wedge slope, the thicker end is on the bottom, and it slopes up to the top to kind of create the front of our AT-ST. And now, because we used a headlight brick, there's this little divot here. To fill this in and make it more smooth, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece and just put that right there on the headlight stud, and I've got the completed front or head of my AT-ST, and all I have to do is the legs. And to do the legs, I'm going to grab two of these mechanical claw pieces where it's kind of bent in the center and the claws or clips are facing the same direction. And I'm going to put those clips into the sides of my open end handles. And that's why I want the open end handles and not the closed end handle. So put there on the sides of our handle, move it down. I've got the legs, and just to put the feet, I'm going to use a 1x1 round plate with bar. Put that bar into my mechanical claws clip here, my robot arm clips. And here I've got a completed AT-ST ready to hunt down those rebels on the forest of Endor or throughout the galaxy.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.